Welcome back everyone. This is Moni Singh with the same chapter, that is acid, base and salt. Let us know about the physical properties of acid. So we already discussed in the first video, that is the taste of acid is sour, and it turns, in second video we discussed about it turns blue litmus into red. So acid turns blue litmus into red. Now next is, it is a good conductor of electricity. It is corrosive in nature, that means it damages so many substances, and it is water soluble. These are the physical properties of acid. Now let us know about the chemical properties of acid. What are the chemical properties of acid? When acid reacts with metal, then it forms salt and hydrogen gases evolve. When acid reacts with metal, okay, then it forms what? Salt and hydrogen gases evolve. So here magnesium is a metal. Hydrochloric acid, when hydrochloric acid reacts with magnesium metal, then what is formed? There is magnesium chloride is formed, and this magnesium chloride is salt, and hydrogen gases also evolve after this reaction. Clear? Now next, when acid reacts with carbonates, then it forms salt and carbon dioxide gases evolve. So when acid, hydrochloric acid reacts with, or any kind of acid reacts with carbonates, here it is calcium carbonate. So what is formed? Again salt is formed, right? So here calcium chloride is salt, and then water is also formed, and carbon dioxide gas is released during this reaction. Clear? Now next, when acid reacts with base. Now this is the reaction between acid and base. When acid reacts with base, then what happens? It forms salt and water. You know, the reaction between acid and base is called neutralization reaction, and in this reaction basically the effect of acid and base will be neutral due to the reaction between acid and base. Finally, whatever the substance will be the product of this reaction, that will be neutral. Okay, so that is why it is called neutralization reaction. Just look at the reaction between acid and base. Here is again hydrochloric acid, and the base here is sodium hydroxide. When it reacts, then sodium chloride is formed, that is a salt, and water is also formed, right? Now this sodium chloride is common salt that we have in our daily life. हम खाना बनाने में इस नमक common salt का use करते हैं. Now one thing that we should discuss, that is sodium hydroxide में which group is there? Hydroxide group is there. Okay. So जब hydroxide लगा होता है, that shows that this compound is basic. This compound is a base. Okay. And what is how we can recognize acidic substance by its formula? By the hydrogen. Here we can see hydrogen is there. This hydrogen is it shows that this is an acid. So basically in acidic substances, in compound hydrogen is found, and in basic substances hydroxide is found, and when acid reacts with base, then salt is formed. So this is how the acid reacts. Acid is highly reactive, and it reacts with so many things, and finally these are the products. These are the product of reaction of acid. And you know, because acid reacts with metal, that is why it is said that जो acidic substances होते हैं like pickles, उन सब चीज़ों को we should not keep in a metallic object, because होता क्या है कि acid, it is highly reactive, it reacts with metal, and finally it will form a salt, and that salt is not good for health, that is not healthy, that is a little bit poisonous, we can say a little bit dangerous. So we should not keep the acidic substance in a and metallic in a metallic object. So that is why we should know nature, we should know the characteristic chemical properties of acid. Now you look at the screen.